Faculty and student rights programs are one of the important commitments that we have had for the last 6+ years, featuring many of your work and many of the successes of your students in our newsletters, in our magazines. So this is a very close to our heart type of an initiative.
If I can summarize my experience in one phrase, is you might not have all the answers, but action precedes clarity. And also, what I'm discovering is you become the PI in your own projects.
When I finished my doctorate degree and I came back to Prairie View, one of my goals is to give back and give back in the area of research.